Hello and welcome. You are watching Freeology Revision. In today's video, we are looking at AQA Psychology, Paper 1. Topic 1, Attachment. In this video we'll be evaluating animal studies of attachment. Harlow. Firstly, the study may not have been internally valid. In other words, it may not have actually tested what it intended to. The two stimulus objects differed more than having cloth or not. The heads were also different. This acted as a confounding variable, because it's possible the infants preferred the cloth mother because of the more attractive head, rather than because they preferred contact comfort to food. Therefore, the conclusions lack internal validity and may not actually tell us anything about the effects of food and comfort on attachment. Furthermore, it is questionable whether or not the findings can be generalized to humans. A number of studies have found observations that made in animal attachment are mirrored in studies of humans, however this may not always be the case. This is because humans are much more intelligent and complex than most animals. It is unlikely that observations of goslings following a researcher or rhesus monkeys clinging to cloth-covered wire models reflects the emotional connections and interaction that characterizes human attachments. Therefore, animal studies can act as a useful pointer in understanding human behavior, but we should always seek confirmation by looking at research with humans. And, finally, the suffering of the monkeys brings up significant ethical implications. It was clear that the monkeys in this study suffered from emotional harm from being reared in isolation. This was evident when the monkeys were placed with a normal monkey. They sat huddled in a corner in a state of persistent fear and depression. In addition, Harlow created a state of anxiety in female monkeys which had implications once they became parents. Such monkeys became so neurotic that they smashed their infant's face into the floor and rubbed it back and forth. But, sadly, Harlow's experiment is sometimes justified as providing a valuable insight into the development of attachment and social behavior. It could be argued that the benefits of the research outweigh the costs. For example, the research influenced the theoretical work of John Bowlby, the most important psychologist in attachment theory. It could also be seen as vital in convincing people about the importance of emotional care in hospitals, children's homes and daycare. However, clearly anyone who isn't a psychopath can undoubtedly see why this experiment never should have happened at all.